Hi there! In this video, I'll give you a quick guide on how you can appear offline on Roblox. So it's really simple. The first thing that you will have to do is click settings, which is right here on your top right corner of the screen. And now that you're here, you will just have to go to visibility, to privacy and content restrictions, and then you will click visibility and private servers, and then go ahead and click visibility. And now that you're here, you will just have to set your online status to no one so that no one could absolutely see your online presence in on Roblox. So yeah, that's basically just how you do it, and you could it's not permanent, so you could just, toggle it off any any time you want, or you could just uh let your connections know that you're online, or everyone or no one. So it really depends on you. And yeah, that's basically just how you do it, and I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, please make sure to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you and have an awesome day.